All right, y'all, good morning. So we are vlogging today. I just want to do a fit check. I got on my TikTok shop outfit. I actually just made a video for it. I am in the middle of moving and packing up my stuff, but y'all, TikTok shop is so tea. So I paired it with these Chanel sneakers that I got. My camera ended up dying, but yeah, this is my little fit check. I got on this outfit from the TikTok shop, which I did just film a video because I want to get into like TikTok marketing. And then I paired it with my tan Chanel bag with gold detailing and these white, gold, and silver Chanel sneakers. And then this brown headband is from Amazon. My dry had it on yesterday, y'all. It is so hard to shoot with Cairo because he don't play. Come on. Let me record you. So this is Cairo's fit check. He has on his blue school shirt. He has on this Ralph Lauren jacket with a little blue colorful horse in the back, some cotton on jeans and some Jordans. I take off the little thingy before we leave. All right, so yeah, I'm showing y'all my shit. My apartment is so dirty right now. We're moving. Okay, so I'm gonna get in the car and then I'll get back on the camera once I get somewhere. I have a great day today. All right, you guys, so I am back in the car. I took Cairo to school. I'm going to Starbucks to get some, oops, I just pulled off a lash and something in my lashes. I'm going to Starbucks to get some coffee. All right, so I got my white chocolate mocha. All right, so I got my white chocolate mocha. It's really hot. I'm not even gonna try to sip it. White chocolate mocha with sweet cream instead of regular milk. Makes it fire. And I also got this ham and cheese croissant. It's not undercooked. I don't like when it's undercooked like this. It's cool. Yeah. Alright, you guys. So I am now back home. I'm gonna open up my blinds a little bit. Alright, so I am getting ready to continue doing some packing. I don't know why, but I feel like super overwhelmed with this whole packing and moving. I can't believe a whole entire year has already passed by, but I'm just, we are leaving. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm happy to go. I got my Rick Owens in here. I'm gonna kind of fill this box up with like majority of my luxury things. So yeah, like I have some boxes for certain designer things like my Renee's and stuff like that. I'm just gonna be putting everything up in their bags because I know for sure I'm not taking any boutique pictures, and I'm not actually not gonna be traveling. I'm not taking any boutique pictures, so there's honestly no need to actually don't need these, but there's no need to like wait last minute to pack shoes and stuff like that. I'm not taking any boutique pictures. Like, I'm officially in like move out mode, and there won't be any new items dropping until like next week once I'm fully moved. So yep, I'm about to pack up all my stuff. We're packing. Hey guys, so this is gonna be my empty apartment tour. So this is the kitchen. When you first walk in, got my little AC thing. I got me like a pantry. Why is it not focusing? I'm gonna fill this up with like snacks and all that good stuff. I think this is like a little AC thing. Yeah, I know it. This is nothing. This is my front door. This is my fridge. I really don't care for this fridge just because of the last apartment, how cute the fridge was. But it will do. It will do. It's another pantry for me to put stuff. I think my cereal gonna go up here. And then all my microwave and all that stuff. I have a lot of storage. I'm gonna put some cute little decorations up here. Oh, let me cut the light on because let me show you guys. We got like a little light system where it's like pink. So this is it. And I got a 2-bedroom this time. This is actually the biggest apartment I've ever had. This is my first time ever getting a 2-bedroom. I've always had like 1-bedrooms and stuff, even when I had Kyle. So this is gonna be my room. Oh yeah, there's no lights in here. They gotta figure out what's up with that. And then this is my closet, y'all. I love me a like system closet, however you call it. Like this is my little closet. I already brought my convention boots, but yes, I love the closet. Like this is really what sold me. Like there's always something that sells me. So this is me, looking big, and toilet. And this is my bathroom. We have a shower. I'm gonna be showering Cairo in here. I'm so happy to have a tub because my last apartment I did not have a tub. So my poor baby. And they also gave me another little storage unit, so I'll probably fill this up right here with like towels and stuff like that. So yeah, and then this is the room. And now I'm gonna show you guys my shower and what's in here. Oh, this is my washer and dryer. Washer and dryer. This is the bathroom, which is technically supposed to be Cairo's, but I'm gonna be using the tub on him. Super cute, but I think I'm gonna be showered in here. Like, yeah. Alright, so then we go into this room, and this is gonna be Cairo's room. Very cute. And he also has a closet system right here. Yeah. I don't even think Cairo has that much clothes, which I might have to put some of my stuff in here because I do not have that much clothes, but for sure all his sneakers will be able to fit in here. So yeah. And this is like the internet box and all of this stuff. So I will just start showing y'all me and my moving process and packing all my stuff. I'm going to be taking everything out the apartment and putting it into this apartment today.